Hello viewers, welcome to the Standard 10 Subject Science. In our previous video, we have started the chapter number 1 Chemical Reactions and Equations. In this chapter, we have started of learning the types of chemical reactions, and also we have seen the three types of chemical reactions. First one is combination reaction, second one is decomposition reaction, and the third one is displacement reaction. Today in this video we are going to continue that topic, which is types of chemical reactions, and we are going to learn the fourth type of chemical reaction, which is double displacement reaction. So let us start of learning double displacement reaction by performing the activity 1.10. So here you can see the figure for the activity 1.10, and it is formation of barium sulfate and sodium chloride. First of all, what are the things that we need, which is test tube and then the sodium sulfate solution. Now let us understand the process of this activity. First of all, take about 3 ml of sodium sulfate solution in a test tube. So first of all, we'll take sodium sulfate solution in test tube. In another test tube, take about 3 ml of barium chloride solution. So we are taking two different solution in two different test tubes. In the first test tube, we are going to take sodium sulfate, and in the second test tube, we are taking barium chloride solution. Then what will we do next? Next, we will mix the two solutions as shown in the figure. Now, after mixing, what do you observe? So, let us see the observation. We will observe a white substance which is insoluble in water is formed. So, a white substance which is insoluble in water which is formed, and this insoluble substance formed known as a precipitate. So that is a substance which is insoluble. We will call it precipitate. Any reaction that produce a precipitate can be called a precipitation reactions. So any reaction that produce precipitate, we will call it precipitation reaction. Now let us understand the chemical reaction for this activity. So here the sodium sulfate solution in the first test tube and the barium chloride solution in the second test tube, we are going to add the both. So what will we get? We get BaSO4, it means barium sulfate, and the sodium chloride. By symbolically we can write Na2SO4 plus BaCl2, that gives BaSO4 plus 2 NaCl. That is the chemical reaction for this activity. What causes this? The white precipitate of BaSO4 is formed by the reaction of SO4 2 minus and Ba2 plus. The other product formed is sodium chloride, which remains in the solution. Sodium chloride which remains in the solution. Such reactions in which there is an exchange of ions between the reactants are called double displacement reactions. So here is the definition for the double displacement reaction. Such relations in which there is an exchange of ions between the reactants, and they are called double displacement reaction. In this activity you can see, or in this chemical reaction you can see, the BaSO4 is formed by the reaction of SO4 2 minus and Ba2 plus. So the exchange of ions exist in this chemical reaction, therefore it is double displacement reaction. So here we have completed four types of chemical reaction with this double displacement reaction. Till thank you.